Alright, y'all, I got a quick video today. Quick little unboxing. Got this box from Carbonaddons. They make really good like carbon fiber products. I have a few of their products actually. I'm actually sponsored by them. So they got my support. I definitely like their products. Like this is their carbon mirrors. And I believe they do Dodge, Chevy, and Ford. So I'll definitely put the link in the description so y'all can check out what they got. Real carbon fiber. They're not actual replacements, but they are overlays, meaning they just go over what you got going on. The car's a little dirty right now, y'all. It's been a long week, but I'll show y'all some of their other products. So I got the carbon fiber steering wheel cover. And honestly, when you put stuff like this, and you take this off, because I remember I think I had replaced this or something, and I didn't have it for a while because I was waiting for the other one to get here, and it looks weird when it's not there. Once you've had something, like you get used to it. These are their blue carbon fiber. This is one of my favorite things in the car. I'm definitely happy with this purchase right here. They're a little bit big, so when I got them, I was worried if it was going to get in the way, but actually it doesn't really block your view from anything. It actually gives you a little bit more like flick to it for the paddle shifters. I also have the blue carbon fiber on the AC vents. I know they make this part too, so I might get that one day. But as far as the dash, I just want to finish this part. That's the last piece to get in here. I also have this right here next to the shifter. The actual shifter covered. And then this part. One of the best things, I feel like, if you're going to do anything in the interior as far as carbon, you got to get this part. Kind of a difficult install, I'm not going to lie, because you have to get that curve perfect in there. But it just takes a little bit of molding. Like you have to really press that in there. Same thing over there on that side. But definitely a necessity if you're going to do anything carbon fiber. Oh, I forgot. I also had the carbon fiber blue start button. I had a red one at first, but then once I got these, I was like, we're going to incorporate a little blue in there. But yeah, that's some of their products. So I'm going to show you the new one I got now. So the new one I got is for this here. That ugly gold Chevy. So it's not really ugly, it's just, I had this covered before with vinyl, like a vinyl wrap at first, and it was a vinyl wrap black. I did a satin black, and then I think after that one fell off, and I did a carbon fiber one wrap, and that one fell off. So I was just sick of just having to replace it every month or whatever. Well, not every month, but I kept having to replace the I can't talk. I kept having to replace it, and I just got tired of that. So what I did here, I got this. I don't know why they sent this big box just for this, but hey, I guess they're not worried about running out of boxes. So they honestly could have just put this in a little bag. But this is what it looks like. Let me get you some sun views right here. So it's a carbon fiber overlay. So that is actual carbon fiber. And it looks good. So you just straight overlay, you got your double-sided tape. And that's just gonna go right there. Everything matches up once you get it on there. And yeah, that's gonna look good. So give me a second while I get ready to install. So they do give you directions and everything with it, with their little thank you card as well. So directions are kind of important. Sometimes it's nice to have. This is pretty self-explanatory though. So you have your alcohol wipe here. exclusive promoter. And that's just to help this stick on and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe it off and we're gonna get it on there. Alright y'all, and just like that, it's on there. On there, nice and well. I did apply a little heat to it. It was optional, but it just helps it kind of bend better and, you know, get in those corners. So it's pretty good. I like the fitment of it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not something you're going to be looking at 24/7, but I think it works, and it definitely gets rid of that ugly gold, because I feel like that blacked out emblems is just the new thing, especially for Chevy. So that's about it, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all that. Like I said, Carbonaddons. So you can check them out. Check them out on Instagram. Great product. I'll put the link in the comments for you. And y'all have a great day, man.